A good day to one and all. This is Sri Priya, Professor from Management Sciences, PhD CAS, presenting to you the concept of plant layout. Under this concept, we will be looking into the meaning of plant layout, the objectives of plant layout, and principles of plant layout. So, first, looking into the meaning of plant layout, it is the physical arrangement of production facilities in the shop floor as far as any organization is concerned. A plant layout is the overall arrangement of production process, storeroom, tool room, material handling equipments, employment services, and all other accessories required for facilitating production. It is the master blueprint for coordinating all operations performed inside the shop floor or a factory. A good layout ensures convenience to work and safety to its employees and materials, thereby increasing profits. But a poor layout results in congestion of material, wastage of material, frustration among the operators, and industrial accidents. So that's why this concept is an important concept as far as layout production is concerned. So, talking about the objectives of plant layout, the flow of materials through the plant from the raw material stage to the finished goods stage is ensured through a proper layout. It facilitates smooth production process by maintaining high turnover of work in progress inventory. So from the raw material stage to the finished goods stage, there is no backlog of work at any workstation, and there is a smooth flow of material from the raw material stage to the finished stage. It ensures reduction in material handled and cost of material handling. That is, the distance traveled by the material is being reduced, thereby reducing the cost. Effective utilization of operators, machines, and the space in the shop floor is ensured by a proper layout. For example, cubic space utilization, that is, wherever the space is less, the length, width, height, everything is being utilized properly. Overhead cranes are used wherever the space is less, so for material handling. This is an example for effective cubic space utilization. Whenever there is a change in the product design, the operating facilities are also changed at a lowest possible cost. It provides convenience and safety to the employees by reducing accidents and comfort to the employees. When you properly plan the layout, the investment in equipment is reduced and the production time required is reduced. Coordinating and supervising becomes easy when the layout is in a good. Next, we are going to see principles of material handling. First one is principles of integration. Orderliness is brought into the plant by arranging the main materials in a proper order so that they can be utilized to the maximum. The distance traveled by the men and material is minimized and as possible in the straight line movement to avoid congestion. The length, breadth, and width is being utilized so that there is no wastages in all resources that is being utilized in the shop floor. The material and men mostly move in forward direction to avoid backtracking, which may result in industrial accidents. As far as maximum flexibility is concerned, alteration of the layout must be at the lowest possible cost at the lowest possible time, depending on future requirements. Industrial accidents must be reduced and working conditions must be improved. That is principle of safety and security. The material handling reduction is the main aim of principles of a good layout. So when you have a choice of plant layout, there are five basic types of layout. The choice of a layout depends on these factors: nature of the product, whether it is simple or complex; volume of production, whether it is large or small; nature of machines, whether it is general purpose machines or special purpose machines; nature of material, whether they are light in weight or heavy in weight; characteristics of the building, whether it is multi-story building or a single story building; nature of the plant location, the terrain where it is situated; manufacturing process, the heat, cold process, whatever is being involved; management policy, the way the management wants it to be. So, depending on these features, choice of a plant layout depends. So, availability of the shop floor area, utilization of these shop floor area to the optimum in terms of operators, in terms of machines, and in terms of material is the basic objective of plant layout. So we keep this in mind when